Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel IT Concepts, and today my video is on Pandas DataFrame. Previously I have already published two videos on series, how to create series and indexing and labeling of series, slicing of series exactly, right? Now today we are going to start the DataFrame topic of 11th to 12th IP. If you have not gone through the previous video, this is my recommendation. You should go to my previous video on IT Concepts channel, right? So we should start from this. What is data? Yes, we already know data frame is a 2D data structure. So how to create this data frame in practical, we will discuss this thing, right? So what is a data frame? It is a two-dimension data structure, just like any table, right? As we work on in your MySQL, there is a table, rows and columns. Similarly, this is a 2D data structure like an array, but array contains similar elements. Suppose this is the array 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is a 2D array. By default, indexing are labeled, not label, sorry, it is numeric indexing, right? But in the data frame you can do the labeled indexing. You can see, you can give indexes, manual indexes to rows as well as columns. In column I have given admission number, student name, class, section. So these all are called labels actually, right? Label indexing are there, right? So what is the basic features of data frame? Columns may be of different type. This is the important. Columns can contain different type, that's why it is in heterogeneous. Next, size can be changed and values is also mutable. Next is label access, that means rows and columns we can give our own name, and arithmetic operation can be done on rows and columns. That we'll discuss how it will be done, right? Now next is how to create a data frame. See, I have already told you that Python is an object-oriented programming, right? And a data frame is an object, right? To create an object we need a constructor. Constructor is a function actually, right? So now the name of the constructor is same as the data that is a data structure, that is data frame, and it should start with capital. Every word should start with capital. D is capital and F is capital. Now we have to mention data, then index, then column, and then D type, right? Now what is a data? Data is should be 2D data structure. It should be a 2D data structure. Series we have worked on 1D data structure. Series में हमने जो work किया, that is 1D, that is list or dictionary. Here we will use 2D data structure. Why 2D data structure? Because we require rows and columns. That's why we use 2D data structure, right? So this is how you can create a data frame. To create a data frame, we use a constructor. Name is data frame. D should be capital, F should be capital. Then we will mention the data, then index, then column, and then the D type, right? Yes. Now methods to create data frame. Yes, what are the various methods to create a data frame? First is we can create an empty data frame. We can create a data frame using nested list, that means list within a list. Third one is we can create using list within a dictionary. Then we can create using list of dictionaries, nested dictionary, numpy array, and another data frame. These are the multiple methods. So I will explain you each and every one through practical example actually, right? So we are going to create, I'm just starting my spider to just show you how to create these data frame. Yes, so we are going to start to create a data frame, right? So before creating data frame, we know that it is a part of pandas, so we have to import the library, that is import pandas as pd. Yes, pd, why we have written, I already told you, this is a short name, right? Now we are creating a data frame. Let the name of data frame is df. Df equals to pd dot data frame. Again I am telling, D should be capital and F should be capital. We are not passing any argument, so it is an empty data frame. First data frame we are creating, that is your empty data frame, that means no data. Yes, first data frame is empty data frame, pd dot data frame. When we are going to print this, print df. Yes, you can see in the output window that yes, one empty data frame has been created. You can see the empty data frame, column blank value, and index is also blank value. Now we will create the second data frame using the second method, that is nested list. Now what is nested list? List within a list. I am again telling you, list within a list is called nested list. How it will work? See, I am creating a list, ls. Yes, now I am creating multiple lists in this list only, right? First list I have created, suppose the values are 1 2 and 3, right? Next again I have created a list, that is 4 5 and 6. suppose one more list, that is 7, 8 and 9. That means 3 lists I have enclosed in a list, that is called nested list, right? I am creating a data frame. Again, now df equals to pd dot data frame. Yes, I will write the name of the list, nested list actually, print df. When I do this, see, one data frame has been created. You can see data frame elements are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and the indexes are default, that is 0 1 2, because I have not given any index. We have not given any, that's when default index will be used, that is 0 1 2, right? How to give index? Yes, in data frame only I will write index, because I have already told you data, then index, then column. Index equals to, yes, how many rows are there? 3 rows, so I will provide 3 index, right? Like A, B and C. Yes, these are the 3 indexes. Now I will give the columns. Columns name, columns equals to, again, that is P. Suppose one more, that is Q, and one more, that is R. Yes, when I am going to run this, yes, you can see that P, Q, R are the columns and A, B, C are the rows. So I have created the data frame with the help of nested list only, right? Yes. Next, now the next topic is yes, first is empty data frame, nested is now list within a dictionary. I am
again repeating, list within a dictionary. How we will do this? See, yes, list within a dictionary, that means a list which is enclosed in a dictionary. Now how to create a dictionary? Just recall, suppose the name of dictionary is DIC, curly braces, then a key. We know that key value pair, dictionary means a key value pair. So one key, that is suppose A. Now I am not putting a value, I am just putting a list, right? Suppose 10, 20 and 30. Yes. Second key element is suppose B. Again I am putting the next values, that is 40 and 50 and 60, suppose, right? And yes. Now I am creating the data frame. df is equals to pd dot data frame. Yes. Now I will put the dictionary name. Yes. So what will happen? You can see in the, we are going to elaborate you everything through practical manner only, right? My main aim is you are able to do the programming, you are able to understand what is data frame, how to create, what is list, what is dictionary, that you can do through practical manner only. Yes, you can see here. Now we have created 2 key element A and B. These are the columns. So that means whenever you are creating using dictionary, the key element will become the column. 2 key elements are there, A and B, so they become the column, and the values, that is 10, 20, 10, 23, these are the columns value. The 3 rows are there, so there are 3 row indexes 0 1 2. We can change the index also. How? In data frame only you will write index equals to how many rows are there? 3. So P, okay, then I will put Q, then again R. Yes, you can see here. See, PQR are the indexes, rows indexes, A and B are the column. So this is the third method. First is empty, second is nested list. Very nice. Third one is list within a dictionary. Yes. Now the fourth method is you can put is list of dictionaries. Yes, list of dictionaries. These all are on my PPT only. I will share this PPT with you only, right? In description you can download this these notes actually. List of dictionaries. Yes, important thing is list of dictionaries. That means I have to create a list. Okay, square bracket list is created. Now multiple dictionary. So first dictionary I will create. Yes, suppose the elements are A 1, second elements are B 1, 2 suppose, and third one is C, again suppose 3. Yes, this is the first element. See, first dictionary is there. A, B, C are column name, because जो भी key elements है they become the column name, right? तो second जो हम row बनाने वाले हैं, that column name must be same, right? If column name is not same, then new column should be created, right? So we want the same column should be continued. So I am just giving the same column name, that is A, value suppose 4, then B, value suppose 5, and then C, value suppose 6. Yes, this we have to do, right? Yes, I think it is visible. Yes. Now we will create a I think something is, yes, dictionary I have closed before, right? Now it is okay. Again df equals to then pd dot data frame. Yes. In pd.dataframe I will put the list ls. Print again ls. See what will be done. And not df actually. You can see the output window. A, B, C. These are the columns because these are the key elements. I already told you keys will become the column. Keys will become the column. So keys are A, B, C. So 3 columns A, B, C. Values are 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. And row indexes are 0, 1 because we have not given index. अगर आपको index देना है, if you want to give the index, you just put index equals to, yes, 2 rows are there. So I will give 2 indexes P and Q. Yes. Again I am running this program. C. P and Q are the columns and A, B, C are the P and Q are rows and A, B, C are the column because A, B, C are the key elements of dictionary, and I already told you for dictionary key element become the columns. Key element become the columns. Yes. So 4 methods we have done: empty, data frame, nested list, then list within a dictionary, then list of dictionaries. Yes. Now next is nested dictionary. Yes. Dictionary within a dictionary. Yes. Nested dictionary means dictionary within dictionary. Yes. DIC equals to, yes, create a dictionary. Okay. Now what will you do? See the methods we have designed now: empty, nested, list within dictionary, list of dictionary that we have done. Now is nested dictionary. Dictionary within a dictionary. Okay. So dictionary means one key element should be there. Okay. One key element is A. Again a dictionary I am putting. Okay. See what can I do? P I can use now. And one dictionary we can copy paste this dictionary, so it will be easier and quickly we can done. Yes, this is one dictionary. Dictionary within a dictionary, again I am telling, right? Yes. Now next is again one element is there. Suppose second element is Q. This is the key element. Yes. Now again I am putting the values. Yes. See what I have did. Dictionary within a dictionary, right? Two dictionary in a single dictionary. What will done? Let's see. Df equals to again dot pd dot data frame. Yes. Dic is the dictionary name. Print df. अब मैं df को print करने वाला हूँ. मैंने क्या किया है? 2 डिक्शनरी को एक डिक्शनरी में एनक्लोज किया. That is called nested dictionary. What will be done? See. Yes. Now there are 2 key elements. See. Previously when there are key element become the column name. जो भी key element थे वो आपके column name बन गए. But यहाँ 2 key elements है. एक तो inner key elements and next one is outer key element. You can see inner key elements again become the rows and outer key elements become the columns. It is the most important thing. See, I am just writing here also. Inner key elements become row index and outer key elements become column index. I hope you are able to understand. Outer key means P and Q. तो P and Q क्या बन गए हमारे लिए यहाँ पे? Columns. And inner key that means A, B, C. ये क्या बन गए हमारे यहाँ पे? Rows बन गए, right? तो inner key become row index and outer key become your column index. It is the most important. कई बार questions CBSE में भी पूछा जाता है कि कौन सा inner key होगा, कौन सा outer, MCQs भी आते हैं. तो whenever we are creating nested dictionary, see again I am saying outer will become column and inner will become rows, right? So this is the next method, that is inner nested dictionary, right? We are creating data frame from multiple methods actually, right? Next is numpy nd array. Numpy array बनाने वाले हैं. क्या बनाने वाले हैं? Numpy array. So before creating a numpy array, what we need to import numpy because it is a library. It is not a part of your Python, right? It is external library we are using. So I will write import numpy as np. Yes. Now we'll create a numpy array, 2D array again. np dot array. Yes. 2D array. So that means we require a nested list. Obviously, 1, 2, 3. One list is there. Second list is suppose 4, 5 and 6. This is a 2D array. If you want to create a data frame, df equals to pd dot data frame. Yes. And we will write a. A is what? Numpy array. When I going to print this data frame, yes, see, you can see this. One more data frame is created, that is using numpy array. You can give the indexes or you can say column name, right? If you don't want to give the index and column, by default it will be 0, 1, 2, same as array, right? So I think you are able to understand how we can create using NumPy array. Yes. Now we will create an array using already a data frame using already existing data frame. Yes. Create data frame using already existing data frame. मतलब हम data frame तो बना रहे हैं, बट ऑलरेडी जो एग्जिस्टिंग डेटा फ्रेम है उसी से हम लोग डेटा फ्रेम क्रिएट करने वाले हैं. सी मैं ये जो हैश में लिख रहा हूँ, आई एम राइटिंग इन हैश, दीज ऑल आर कमेंट्स, दीज आर द पार्ट्स व्हिच इज नॉट एग्जीक्यूटेबल. प्रोग्राम में अगर आपको उसकी रीडेबिलिटी बढ़ानी है, कुछ एक्स्ट्रा लिखना है, तो उसे आप कमेंट में लिख दें. ये जो हैश है, दिस इज अ सिंगल लाइन कमेंट. इफ यू वांट टू पुट मल्टी लाइन कमेंट, 3 single quotes are used. I am just showing you how it will be done. 3 single quotes will be started, and when you want to go, when you are going to close, 3 single quotes will be done, right? So this is called multi-line comment, right? Or जो hash है, that is a single line comment. Comment is a part of program which is not executable, right? So I am creating again a data frame. Suppose data frame 1 equals to pd dot data frame. Yes. किससे create करना है हमें? Suppose data frame हमारा already df, already existing से करने वाले हम, right? So print df1. Yes. When I going to print this, see. Again a data frame. Both data frames are same. Both data frames are same because I have created the data frame from already existing data frame. So these are the methods which is used to create a data frame. It will be useful in CBSE board exam. It will be useful in your projects. It will be useful in your practical files. सभी जगह आपको ये काम आने वाला है. Data frame basics है. इसके बाद मैं आप लोगों से discuss करूँगा in the next video how to work on data frame, operations from data frame, slicing and indexing. These all will be done, right? So these are the following methods we have used to create a data frame, right? I'm just again revising, just giving you a revision for these all these, right? See, so first method is empty data frame, second is nested list, third is list within a dictionary. Yes, see, this is the empty data frame, blank is there. Next is nested list. Nested list means list within a list, right? Next is your list within a dictionary. See, this is a dictionary. This is a dictionary element because this is the curly braces are there. These are the key elements, and 10, 20, 30 and 20, 30, 60. These are the list, right? So see, these key elements become the columns, and rows are by default 0, 1, 2. We can change these rows also using index, right? Okay. Next is list of dictionaries. Again, I am telling list of. There is one list, one dictionary and second dictionary. Both keys should be same because this is a column A. Again in this column the value will be 4. B 2 and 5 to 2 and 5. C 3 and 5. So these are the list of dictionary actually, right? Next is dictionary. That means there are 2 dictionary inside a dictionary. X and Y. These are the outer key elements. They will become the columns. Important. Let's see one more thing. Here I have done the changes. In inner dictionary elements are A, B and C, and here D, B and C. So B and C are common, but A and D are not common, right? See, B and C are common, so B values are 2 and 5 and 3 and 5. 2 and 5 and 3 and 5. But A is not common, so A is present in first, yes, X. So it is 1 and second will be NN, that means blank value. So if the columns are not matched, अगर आपके column match नहीं कर रहे हैं, right? अगर आपके key elements match नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो एक कॉलम में तो पर्टिकुलर कॉलम जो वैल्यू होगा that will be inserted and second will be NaN. This is the most important. See here D is available in Y column. So in Y D value will be 4.0, but in X it is NaN because no value is inserted, right? It is the most important. You have to see, right? You from 2D dictionary, that means 2D array actually. 2D array we have created. 2D array first we have created to NumPy array, then we created the data frame, and the last one is from 2D dictionaries already existing actually. Already existing से हमें कैसे create करना है? Already we have created data frame. Again have created df1 using with the help of df. So this is how you can create the data frame. So these are the methods to create data frame. Thank you so much to all of you. I hope you are able to understand. And yes, if you want further videos, and I will upload all the 11th and 12th IP contents on this channel. So kindly subscribe my channel. If you want any specific topic, just write in the comments. I will send you notes also, right? And thank you so much. That's all for today. In the next video we'll discuss about data frame attributes, data frame slicing, lock, ilock, importing, exporting, that all thing I will explain to you, right? Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.